on my coupe. What do you think about it? Like it's red. Cause you know race cars have to have red. The Type X. They have a Type X kit. So
hey, how much you get these seat covers for, man?
Oh, they were on sale. $5. $5.99 actually, plus tax.
This is no fucking tutorial video, guys, but like installing these fucking things takes time.
Stay tuned, guys. What's up, guys? Today, actually the seats were just bullshit. We're installing, well, only one bolt holder. It's brand new because the other one discontinued already. I guess fucking JP. Oh shit. Alex JP probably got the last one because he has both of them brand new. And then we have new clear tail lights that I've been wanting for a while, and I finally found them from my friend Bedoka Jaime. Also installing the LED interior glow, which I was gonna do my own with the harness and everything, but I thought this is probably easier. It comes with a pre-made harness, just plug and play, power positive negative, or you can plug it into your fuse box, or it makes it easier. I'm gonna put it to a switch, which I already have installed, and see where it goes. Here it is. That's a wrap. Yeah, so this is like $80 on light bulbs.
Damn, so you put in new bulbs, huh? They look hella weird though.
Crazy how they sit, huh?
For your installation on these fucking lights right here, you need to get some new bulbs, you know, replace all of them just to be sure they're gonna light up. Then you need to take off the tail lights that are currently on the car, right? Take off the tail light, huh? What tools do you need to take off these tail lights? You need a deep socket, 8mm, and a lot of strength, because these fucking nuts are pretty strong, huh? If you guys are wondering where Alex is at, he's currently working on his own car in another location. Yeah, we'll probably see him later, because I know you guys love the channel because Alex, JP Style, the Jedi, the God himself, the myth, the legend. Whoa, and just like that, you take off of the 8 bulbs, 8 nuts, I mean. You take off the 8 nuts and boom, the tail light comes out, huh? Easy like that, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So this is how the clear tail light looks, huh? What do you guys think? The red and white? No, I mean the red and clear D-Max tail light, or the all clear tail light? D-Max, all clear. Which one do you guys think looks better? Comment down below, let us know. Okay, so we're done with the tail lights. They're installed. They look pretty cool. They go with the whole flow of the car.
See right now? GP? We're gonna see it right now, alright, cool. Oh, there.
Beep.
Also, this is a control for the LED lights. Has different functions. This module, you just place it anywhere you desire. I guess so the control could reach as close as better. Just positive, negative, you plug in pretty much, you route these wherever you want, plug them to there, easy money, done. So let's see how hard it is. It comes with zip ties. I got double-sided tape, so and I'm not sure what else, check it out. Double-sided tape. More double-sided tape for the module. So like double-sided tape foams, I'm not sure. So you won't scratch your material, I guess. This is the kit.
Oscar Mota is still trying to install his fucking LEDs. He's been taking like 2 hours already. It's fucking hilarious because he keeps getting mad and shit for no fucking reason. But it kind of sucks because it's 100 fucking degrees out here in California, you know. Us Californians are pretty sensitive about this fucking weather and shit. Okay, but let's take a look at inside his car. Okay, we got these Shriek Faction door cards that he installed a couple months ago with the Lambo doors, as you can see. He has a NRG quick release. He has a Vertex steering wheel. He has a Pioneer single din. He has a Yoshio factory water temp display thingy. Body club shift knob. What kind of fucking e-brake button is that? Cusco e-brake button. Subaru factory event cover. Brid seats. Bake overalls. Shake and bake overalls. And then we have Oscar Mota working on his car. Sweating ass. What are you doing, dog? Dog, you still working on this shit, man? You still working on this shit, man?
Yeah, on this shit, bro.
Fucking hey, bro. Let me get the better angle. Oh, fuck.
There's those. There's big this one. It was.
It's fucking hot out here, man. Hey, you ready for that coffee?
Yeah, we're gonna go see JP.
Yee, JP.
Look at this.
This is no fucking tutorial video, guys, but like installing these fucking things takes time, and you'll figure it out how to wire it. It's pretty simple, just black and white for the module. I mean black and red for the module. Positive and negative, that's all you need for power. And then it has its own like little connectors for the LED bars. It's pretty simple, but it takes time because we've been here for like 2 hours already, and Moto's still not done. And Alex has been waiting for us at the coffee shop for like past half an hour. But it's okay because he still loves us. I can't wait to see this at night. Are we gonna see this at night? Look at her, Moto. Cool. Hey, but look at that. Look at Moto's tattoo. That shit's sick. It's a little piston right there. It's a SR20 86 millimeter. No, it's at 86.5 millimeter piston, huh? Hey, so we're finally done with the interior glow?
Yeah, it is. It was easy and hard at the same time. Just figuring what power. It's pretty dope to get the control. You can adjust it.
Nice.
Try and earn it.
From today's video.
The mod, today's mod that Oscar did is hot boy status. So y'all better be ready. This guy's gonna hit the streets hard. Panties are gonna get thrown
Hey, yo,
at
people
his
asking where has Alex been, man?
Well, Alex has been in the cuts for a minute. I mean, I've been building my car, and
When can we catch you drifting or at a next event?
well, we're gonna be drifting at the rival series. That's gonna be round 3 on August 25th. So catch us there because we're going to be there. It's going to be a night event. We're all signing up for the evening drift event, so it's going to be from 5 p.m. to midnight, but they're also having the competition from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So we're all going to be there hanging out, supporting the rival auto drift series, and we're going to be driving our cars again ourselves. But most of the time we've been kind of low-key, mainly because the last 2 months, we've had a lot of problems here in Southern California with the law enforcement community, and cars have been getting pulled over left and right, hoods been getting popped, state refs have been issued like hotcakes. So we kind of laid low for the last 2 months and just kind of built our cars and worked on them, like Oscar's been doing his stuff. I've basically been breaking in my car and fixing the little tiny things that come up, and I've installed a new skid plate, a bash bar, and I've also done a couple other little tweaks and tunes here and there. But catch us August 25th. We're going to be rolling up to Willow Springs International Speedway, and we're going to be up there at Balcony for the Rival Auto Round 3. So stay tuned, guys. Catch up with us, grab a beer, and let's hang out and let's have fun.
Yeah, and free stickers. Free shake and bake stickers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Yeah, I forgot we kicked you out of the shake and bake.